huge earnings coming out after the close. I need to know what we're looking at, the numbers. Tell us about Apple, Alex.
All right, so tech is hot and heavy like we just said, and today is really going to be all about Apple reporting after the close. Analysts are expecting Apple to earn about $5.37 a share on revenue of over $23 billion, but I got to say, might not all be sunshine and roses for Apple. The biggest question is, will supply shortage issues from Japan actually make components more expensive and eat into Apple's profit margins? Japan is also a big consumer of Apple goods, and there are worries of demand falloff. Now, the stock is down about 4% since March 11th when the earthquake smashed into Japan. And the other big question you have to consider is CEO succession. So can Apple actually be successful without Steve Jobs? Most likely, yes, but it's the uncertainty that seems to really tweak investors out here. Apple also doesn't give a good read on guidance, so investors tend to be kind of flying blind into the quarter. But I read an article of Business Insider that actually said in the lawsuit recently filed against Samsung, it suggests that 18.1 million iPhones were shipped in the first quarter and 4.2 million iPads, which is below the 6 to 8 million target most analysts had actually been expecting. Incidentally, JP Morgan lowered its iPad estimates for the quarter while raising iPhone and Mac estimates. Now, obviously, there is a difference between sales and shipments, but it does raise the question in my mind, will BlackBerry users and Android users buy the iPad or wait for a tablet from their own smartphone maker? Now, in ComScore's latest data of smartphone owners, 33% of them had an Android, almost 29% of them had a BlackBerry, and only 25.2% had an iPhone. Now, Apple has a big lead in the tablet business, but it's not killing the PC market as we just saw with Intel and IBM, and it will need other smartphone users to keep killing it in the market. Stock is up about 2% this week ahead of earnings. Remember that Apple suffers from the buy the rumor, sell the news kind of sickness, so you got to brace yourself for some volatility after the report. All right, we're going to get back with you for your stock trades on Apple and other stocks for the day just after